Civil Service Exam Math Reviewer number 95 and 96. So pause the video and try to answer bago panoodin ang aking solution. Okay, so number 95 tungkol sa probability at number 96 tungkol naman sa ratio and proportion. Okay, so 95, a card is drawn from a standard deck. What is the probability of drawing a red king? So ano ang formula ng probability? So yung formula ng probability of an event ay equal siya sa number nung given na event over the total, or in symbol that is n of s. S is the sample space. Ang ibig sabihin lang na itong sample space ay yung total outcomes. Okay? So sabi, a card is drawn from a standard deck. Kailangan kabisado nyo, alam nyo yung standard deck. Pag sinabing standard deck, meron diyang 52 playing cards. Hindi kasama ang joker pag standard deck. So meron tayong diamond and hearts. Parehas red ito. And then meron tayong 1 to 10, tapos 1 to 10, ace hanggang 10, tapos jack, queen, king. So ibig sabihin may tig to 13 para doon sa hindi nakakaalam ng standard deck. So explain natin. Ayan, so may spade tsaka merong clubs. Ayan, so yung spade sa club ay parehas black. Tapos yung lahat natin ay meron tayong 1 to 10, ace hanggang 10, tapos jack, queen, king, may tig to 13. So therefore, ang hinahanap natin, what is the probability of drawing a red king? So ilan yung red king? 'Di ba ang red natin, meron tayong nahahati sa dalawa, no? Red tsaka black. Tapos yung hinahanap natin, red king. So bawat suit, diamond, hearts, spades, clubs ay may tigi-tigisang king. So ang tanong, ilan doon yung red king? Ang red king ay merong dalawa. Ayun, dalawa, isang diamond at saka isang hearts. So therefore, we have 2 out of the total 52. Dahil tigta 13 nga ito, 13 times 4 is 52. So tapos wala sa choices yung 2 over 52 dahil ilo-lowest term pa natin, divide lang natin parehas sa 2. Pag dinivide parehas sa 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 52 divided by 2 is 26. So the correct answer is 1 over 26, letter B. Next number 96, tungkol sa ratio. The ratio of boys to girls is 4:8. If there are 96 students in all, how many are girls? So hinahanap natin yung number of girls. So we have boys plus girls daw. So boys plus girls, alam natin yung total, di ba? The ratio of boys to girls 4:8 if there are 96. 96 students in all. So ibig sabihin pag pinlas natin, 96 yung total. So dahil ratio ito, ang ratio daw ay ng boys to girls 4:8. So ibig sabihin itong 4 na number ng boys tsaka ng girls, ibig sabihin niya naka-multiply itong boys at girls sa same number. Ilalet natin yung same number, gawin nating x parehas. So ito equal sign but plus ito. So boys plus girls equals 96. So therefore, ang equation natin 4x plus 8x is equal to 96. Ang hinahanap natin, how many are girls? Ito yung hinahanap natin, girls, 8x. So, syempre, bago natin ma-solve yung 8x, isolve muna natin yung x. So, solve for x, i-combine natin ito. 4x plus 8x, that is 12x, is equal to 96. Divide both sides by 12. So, mangyayari dito, pag dinivide both sides by 12, ang value ng x ay 96 divided by 12, that is 8. Check nga natin. Pag minultiply ito sa 8, no? 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, so eksakto. Ang value ng x ay 8. So ngayon malalaman na natin yung number of girls. Multiply lang natin. Ang number of girls ay 8x. So therefore, girls is equal to 8. Ang value ng x ay 8. So 8 times 8 equals 64. So 64 ang number of girls. Pag ginawa naman natin yung number of boys, ang number of boys ay 4x. So tingnan natin kung mag-eksakto. 4x is equal to 4 times, again, x is 8. So 4 times 8 equals 32. Ayun, eksakto. Pag inad natin, equal nga siya sa 96. And sabi sa given, 96 yung total students. Sa mga naghahanap po ng murang civil service exam review, ito po yung offer ko sa inyo. 99 pesos lang po, all in na po ito. Meron tayong 500 slots na available. Ito po yung mga inclusion niya. 10 days math and logic tutorial via Zoom. Online po ito ha. So ang schedule na itong 10 days, ito po. Ayan, math and logic. 7 to 9 p.m. po lahat ito, MWF po ito. So July 6, integers, PEMDAS, GCF, and LCM. July 8, fractions and decimals. July 10, law of exponents and radicals and unit conversion. July 13, number series and number analogy. July 15, basic algebra. July 17, percentage, ratio, and proportion. July 20, word problems. July 22, data interpretation. July 24, logical reasoning. And July 27, abstract reasoning. So, madadaanan po natin lahat ng mga math and logic. Meron din tayong Google Forms reviewer sa ibang subjects kagaya ng verbal ability, analytical ability, general info. Marami rin tayong mga 150 item na mock test. Then may only replay din po tayo ng past session. Ito pong mga Zoom meetings natin, recorded po yan sa exclusive na FB group natin. So ano pong inaantay nyo, mag-message lang po kayo sa akin dito sa aking FB RJ Enseñado.